kayaking in Seychelles, rafting in Nepal, watching the World Cup, paragliding in Turkey, skydiving over the Grand Canyon, bungee jumping, cliff jumping. How do they afford to do all of this? If you think today's video is about good locations and cinematic shots, think again, it's gonna get real today.
Yes, we are going to talk about how we actually travel, how we make money to travel and smash all the assumptions that you all have about us. Because आप सबको लगता है कि these are bloody rich people, I tell you. सारा माँ बाप का पैसा है पैसा. पीरो, मैं बता रही हूँ तुमको, ठीक है ना? ये जो पतंगीर है ना, ये जो है ना मुफ्ता का घूमते हैं, सारी ट्रिप स्पॉन्सर्ड होती हैं बोले तो. अब लिख के देख ले तू, सच बोल रही हूँ मैं. Oh my God, they're so lucky. इनकी लाइफ कितनी फन और इजी है. ये बस घूमते फिरते रहते हैं, फारग रहते हैं और कुछ काम भी नहीं करते. I wanna be like them. But you know what? That's not true. How we work is that we collaborate with different brands who pay us to make content for them. And the brand that we are collaborating with today is called Packages Mall.
So as you guys know, we're always on the move. We're trying to find some new place, and Packages told us that they have hassle-free shopping. So we're here to check it out and see what hassle-free really means.
We were super impressed with Packages Mall. It's not only huge like international malls, but it has world-class amenities like amazing food court with great options, a really good mix of local and international brands, and also a golf cart if you're feeling lazy and wanna get around.
If you're wondering what I'm thinking, I'm actually talking about the fact that you can come to Packages Mall and you can actually do banking on a Saturday at 11 PM. Who's heard of that? And अगर आपके पास कोई पैसे नहीं है और आप मेरी तरह बेशर्म है यहाँ खड़े होके आप करीम ऑर्डर करें और पैसे बचाएं और यहाँ से जाएं, इससे कि मैं बहुत एम्बैरेस हो गया हूँ. बेसिकली सब कुछ यहाँ ही कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, और बाउंस भी है बाय द वे. सो खेलकूद का भी इंतजाम है.
अब हम बिल्कुल ही बिक गए हैं, लेकिन I think it's time for us to now give you guys tips on what you can do to start your own content, your own startup, and get brands on board and start making money from it. बहुत आवाज़ आ रही है, so we should take this somewhere else. Aha, that should be better. Okay. So अब आपको पता चल गया है कि हम ब्रांड्स के साथ काम करते हैं, we make money and we travel. And today we want to talk to you guys about that as well. And there are 3 steps that you can do. So the first step is
treat your platform like a startup. Because of this, you and others will take it more seriously. Have savings, buy the necessary equipment that you need with those savings, whether it's camera, lights, lenses, whatever it is. And then whatever money you make through your platform, invest back into it. So the second step is that you have to focus on video content, because nowadays audiences like to consume more videos, which is more desirable by the brands.
So it's your choice what kind of video you want to make. Do you want to concentrate on the quality, which means you have good cinematic shots, good sound design, you take time in the edit, or do you want to concentrate on quantity?
Exactly, because when you focus on quantity, that means that you're making more videos and you're more consistent. But that means that quality is compromised a little bit. But that's fine, because consistency gives you more followers, gives you more eyeballs, and some brands want that.
So we went with quality, we tried to take more time in our edits, and sometimes we suffer because of that inconsistency. But that's your choice. आप बनाए content, कुछ ना कुछ तो बनेगा. And the third, the most important step.
Be yourself. भाई सीधी सी बात है, people will hate on you regardless. So it's better to be hated for who you are, okay? Be unique, that is your USP, your unique selling point, and that's the reason the brands will approach you for who you are.
It's true. You just have to go out and do it. Don't listen to people, don't listen to what people have to say. Just
be
go
yourself.
Be yourself.
Go do it. Just go and do it.
Sometimes don't do it. Woohoo! Alright, that's a wrap, and we hope it goes and inspires you. You make content, be yourself, do your thing like Amtul is right now.
Yeah, and thank you Packages Mall for collaborating with us on this video and help us to put out such great content and advice for you guys.
And let us be weird and do what we love.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe
And like
and share
and comment.
and yeah, we'll see you next time. Woohoo!